Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat PDF reader on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Adobe Reader download, and the first link which will appear here will be from get.adobe.com/reader. So I'm going to click on this link. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this website and then download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now on this Adobe Acrobat Reader website, you will see two versions of Adobe Acrobat Reader. One is the free to use version, and other one is the pro version, which you can download and install, but you need to pay for it, right? So you can only download the pro version for trial period, and after that you need to pay it. But we just need to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader for loading the PDF and signing it and annotate PDFs. So we are going to download the first option, which is the free to use version. Now it's important to note here is when you click on this button, just uncheck all these options, because you can see, you can read this message: install the free version of McAfee Security Scan, install the free version of McAfee Safe Connect, and install Acrobat Reader for Chrome extension. So I don't want to install any of these. I just want to install the Adobe Acrobat Reader. So uncheck all these check boxes from here, okay? Otherwise, it's going to install this antivirus and other things on your Windows 11 operating system. So uncheck everything and then click on download Acrobat Reader, which is going to initialize this process, and then it's going to download this exe file. So I'm going to just click on this exe file and let me minimize the browser. And first of all, you will see this kind of warning: do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I trust this app, so I'm going to click on yes here, and then the installation of Adobe Acrobat Reader is going to start automatically. So it's going to first of all download some files, and after some time you will see this kind of message which says installation complete, and you will also see this Acrobat Reader desktop icon has been created on my Windows 11 desktop. Before clicking finish button, you can just check this checkbox and then click on finish, which is going to launch Acrobat Reader on your Windows 11 operating system. So it has opened this website here. I'm going to minimize it, and you can see this Acrobat Reader has been started on my Windows 11 operating system. So now I can start using this Acrobat Reader on my Windows 11 operating system. When you start Acrobat Reader for the first time, you will also see this message which says make Adobe Acrobat my default PDF application. I'm going to click on yes here, and then I'm going to click on continue here, and then I'm going to click on OK. So once that's done, I'm going to close this window. So using this Acrobat Reader, you can open PDF files, sign them, and do many other things. So I will close this Acrobat Reader and let me open a sample PDF file using it. So I'm going to go to the file where I have downloaded this sample.pdf file. So first of all, I'm going to right click on this file, and then I'm going to click on open with, and you can see the first option here is Acrobat DC. So I'm going to click on this and then click on Adobe Acrobat DC here, and then click on OK, which is going to open this sample PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Right. So from now on, I can start using Adobe Acrobat Reader on my Windows 11 operating system. You can see I can mark this using this marker, and I can do many other things using this Adobe Acrobat Reader. So this is how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.